Check out my vertical garden on my balcony. It's the beginning of a season, so nothing growing yet. As you can see, got this rack. It's one of those store display racks. And these containers here are IKEA trash cans, which I modified so you can easily attach them at any spot. Up. Just like that. So all walls covered with these racks. You can rearrange them as needed. Got these water level measurement gauges. So this bottom part is filled with rocks. Then we got the soil. And this just shows you how much water you've got there so you don't overwater the plants. And that's pretty much it. If you want to duplicate my idea, feel free. Not copyrighted. Quite cheap, much cheaper than those ready-made green wall solutions. And a great thing to have fresh herbs for your kitchen. As you can see, still small plants. But in a month or so, everything here will be green. Take care, bye.